we're talking, but we're talking.
We're talking. And you must have a look at our glasses. They're really, really. It's Enrique Carveri from Italy. But the
Wow.
quality is beautiful.
All right.
Thank you. I'm full. Yeah, I'm more Land Rover Defender. It's a daily thing. It's a daily thing. What's up,
Why don't you invite him to our house? They're trying.
Look at his eyes on that thing.
So there's this thing that happens in Cape Town every day, 12 noon. A cannonball goes off every noon.
I'll go down.
You're gonna go down there. Okay.
Yeah, but I tested it. I literally lifted it. No, I put it down and it's magnet. So it closed itself.
Here's another one.
So where I am.
This side is the returning lane. This side is the race lane. Okay, so I get to see both of them. Both sides. This side returning lane, it's just them driving back to the start. Sorry, to the pits. And then that side, obviously, like I said, is the race lane, and that's where they go racing.
I've known that gentleman for a long time.
Cars from that side that are going too fast. They got maximum speed. Maximum speed. Wow. Penalizing. Oh. Yeah, that's all.
They are are struggling. Oh man, my favorite car.
Där var det där uppe. Yasin.
One thing. Now they have guns. That's a container.
James Temple, ladies and gentlemen. 24.72 Dina on the leaderboard.
It's time for lunch. So I am going to go get some food. We have food trucks. There's a Woolies food truck, a pizza food truck, a corn food truck. There are a few food trucks around. So I'm not quite sure which ones I'm going to go to as yet. But I think we're going to settle for burgers and fries. And then, yes, we'll take it from there. There's this wicked Bites store that is just filled. I'm not sure. And I think I saw a Biltong once. I think I saw a Biltong once. I'm gonna have to go look. Oh yeah, there it is. I saw a Biltong. I'm gonna get some Biltong too. And then take it from there. So, I want to take you along with me. I had a day of fun. We got a cab, screen, and we are done for the day. This is it. Hi.
Water spot. Yeah. Roaring engines.
Yeah,